So should you choose a traditional loan or a hard money loan? So let's talk about it and break it down a little bit further. So when you think about traditional loans, typically those take a little bit longer for approval, and it actually requires sometimes, most of the time, a 25% down in order to invest in the property. So even though you're actually getting a loan with the bank, you're actually going to actually have to pay typically a down payment, and that's usually 25% of whatever the property, the cost of the property, whatever the purchase price of the property is. With hard money loans, traditionally you have a quicker turnaround in terms of approval, but you have higher fees or higher interest rates in comparison. So it just depends on what you want. A lot of flippers will actually go into hard money loans. I've never personally taken out a hard money loan. I'm not against hard money loans. I just have a good relationship with my banker, and my banker, we work closely in coming up with the best strategy to figure out what will be beneficial for my flips. I know several people who actually do hard money loans and they swear by them. So it just depends on what your desires are. So I typically go the traditional route. I already have existing lines of approvals, existing lines of credit, and I just prefer that. But that doesn't mean that that's what works best for you. So you have to figure out what works best for you. So based on what I just said, traditional, think about lower interest, but a longer time to wait for approval. And with hard money loans, think faster approvals, but higher fees and higher interest. Please share in the comments whether you've done hard money or whether you've done traditional route. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.